If you're over 40 and trying this popular face yoga move for glowing skin, but your lips wrinkle up like this, you're not just missing the results, you could be adding fine lines to this area above your lips that you don't want. Hi, I'm �=Parmita 𝗪𝙗𝗫, your face yoga and self-image coach, and today I'm going to show you 5 glow-boosting face yoga moves for women over 40 that lift, smooth and refresh your skin naturally. Time to glow up. The truth is, as we age, our skin thins, muscles lose volume, and certain expressions can create lines faster. This means if you did not include face yoga in your self-care routine, or if face exercises that worked for you in your 20s or 30s might now be pulling on the wrong areas or deepening wrinkles. So it's time to modulate and readjust. It is time to show you how to do those exercises differently for your aging face so you can strengthen the right muscles, avoid creasing, and get visible, long-lasting results. Let's start with the first move. Now here's an exercise that I'd like you to be able to do. You see how I'm contracting all my neck muscles? And with each contraction, notice how you see my skin pull up. All the way here. Here, even here. Now many women struggle with this neck muscle contracting exercise. So here is how you can do it now. Use a ball. This foam ball is going to help you do the same exact exercise and activate those muscles. If your neck muscles are weak and can't fully lift and tighten your lower face, here is a fix. Place this small ball between your chin and your chest and now gently squeeze it about 20 times. But I want you to do this exercise every other day, not every day. This activates all your deep neck muscles, creating a natural lift for your jawline and preventing any kind of sagging skin in this whole area. Over a few weeks, you will see tighter, more defined neck contour that instantly makes your whole face look younger. Exercise number 2. Cheek puff, but without those dreaded lip wrinkles. If puffing your cheeks gives you upper lip lines, here's the correct way. Insert your thumbs inside your upper lip area so no air can escape there. Then puff air only in the upper cheek area, not in the lower parts. And hold. This lifts your mid-face. It smooths out your nasolabial fold and also strengthens your cheek muscles and your upper lip philtrum area, including your upper lip itself, but without any wrinkling or overworking your lips. The way your face responds to these moves depends on your muscle tone, your posture, and even your habits. That's why my one-on-one coaching is tailored just for you. And if you're starting from scratch, my 21-day face yoga mastery program helps your muscles adapt safely so you can progress to advanced levels without strain. You'll find the link to all these options and these programs in the description below and my website, 𝘪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗪𝗫𝗀 for exercise number 3. Under eye pull-ups. Your under eye area is one of the first to lose volume and show puffiness after 40. Place your index and middle finger on inner and outer eye corners of your eyes and gently contract your lower eyelid upward like an under eye pull-up. This strengthens the thin muscles here, helping reduce bags, and it smooths that area. If you can't activate this under eye muscle yet, I would highly recommend trying the same move with some help, and that help comes from this Lumio device from Ladora. Yes, this device can do it for you. It is like a personal trainer for your face that multitasks in just 3 minutes. You get the microcurrent in this to lift and tone. And then the red light. It helps to boost collagen. Near infrared to work deeper into your skin and give you a soothing massage, all layered together in just one session. If you're watching my eye muscles contract, that I am not doing it myself. It is this device and the deep pulsing that is activating all those muscles inside. It is contracting, it is firming and revitalizing the skin around my eyes. But guess what? Once you start face yoga, the beginner level face yoga exercises, soon enough you'll be able to contract all your facial muscles and activate them at your will. without really depending on any device. But I still love this device because this helps in expediting the results that you're expecting from face yoga. And guess what? It's not just for eyes. This same device can help you lift your droopy lip corners. It can tighten that double chin. It can sharpen your jawline, define cheekbones, give you that nice lift in your whole face, even smooth out your forehead. The deep contraction that you feel between your brows, you will know that your forehead and your eyebrows are lifting. And the tension between the frown lines starts to disappear. Just choose your intensity level and let it do the work for you. You'll find the link to this Lumio device from Ladora in my description, and don't forget to use that special promo code 𝘪MITA15 to get 15% off. Not just this device, there are a few others from this brand that I love. Go ahead and explore. Scalp tapping. Tap firmly across your scalp with your knuckles for 30 to 60 seconds, starting at your hairline and then working back. This wakes up circulation, it feeds your skin oxygen and nutrients, and it relaxes those connective tissues that pull your brows down, your forehead down. Over time, it can help lift your eyebrows, it can reduce that forehead tension and give your upper face a fresher, more open, more glowing look. Over 40 is not your time to fade. The way you show up for yourself and to the world matters. Just a few minutes a day can change not just how you look, but also how you carry yourself, how people respond to you, and how confident you feel. If you're ready for personalized coaching or want to start with my proven 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program, you will find all my programs and links in the description below and on 𝘪MITA_KADKAR.com. If you love these face yoga moves for glowing skin over 40, hit that like button and share this with your 40+ friend. And of course, subscribe to this channel for weekly tips on lifting, tightening, and rejuvenating your face naturally. Not just your face, your complete self-image. Tap the join button to become a supporting member for some exclusive tutorials. And follow me on Instagram and my other social media handles for daily beauty and confidence boosters. See you next week for another face yoga or self-image routine that you can actually see working. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.